Welcome to YouTube. This is Auto Review. And today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Ram 150. A truck that blends rugged toughness with cutting-edge technology and refined style. The latest Ram 1500 has been redesigned to keep up with the evolving demands of truck lovers while holding on to the bold and muscular DNA that has made it a favorite for years. Asterisk from the first glance. The front end commands attention with a more sculpted grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and a stronger stance that makes it look ready for anything. The hood lines are sharper, and the aerodynamic improvements help the truck cut through the air more efficiently, reducing drag and improving fuel economy. Around the sides, the bodywork flows with a balance of aggression and elegance, complemented by stylish wheel designs that range from rugged off-road patterns to premium chrome finishes. The rear keeps that signature Ram style with updated LED tail lamps and a tailgate that's both functional and stylish, making loading and unloading cargo easier than ever. Asterisk under the hood. The 2026 Ram 1500 offers multiple powertrain options, including an upgraded Hemi V8 and a refined turbocharged 6-cylinder, delivering impressive horsepower and torque for those seeking better efficiency without sacrificing performance. There's also a hybrid assist option that blends power with eco-friendly technology. Towing capacity remains one of the truck's strongest points, with the ability to handle heavy trailers, boats, or work equipment with ease. The chassis has been tuned for both stability and comfort, whether you're on the highway or navigating rough terrain. Asterisk Ram has also stepped up in the technology department with advanced driver assistance systems, improved suspension setups, and off-road modes that make tackling challenging trails more confident and controlled. Whether you're hauling gear for work, towing for leisure, or just enjoying a weekend adventure, the 2026 Ram 1500 is built to deliver performance you can rely on. Asterisk, the overall package makes it clear. This isn't just a pickup, it's a statement of capability, style, and innovation. The 2026 Ram 1500 proves once again that Ram knows how to make a truck that stands out in both function and form. Asterisk, this is Auto Review. And if you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Ram 1500, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive releases. Asterisk,